afternoon on March 21st, 2022, officers from the Pleasant Prairie Police Department near Kenosha, Wisconsin discovered a vehicle was stolen after running plates. The driver of the squad is a rookie officer. During the course of the video, you will hear the rookie's training officer giving him instructions throughout the chase.
Watch your traffic. Affirmative, we're eastbound on Highway 50. I'm up that 60 pad. Speeds are about 45. Get behind it. You need to focus on driving, right? Continuing eastbound from 60 pad. Speeds are 55. Traffic is medium. Slow down. That's fine. Watch for the. J580. Worry about the traffic. Make sure you're stopping. Wait for the green light.
At this time, more officers join the pursuit. The stolen vehicle now has multiple police squads on their tail.
Copy. Just make sure you're slowing it down.
Status change, running the red light at 7539, continuing east on Roosevelt. Speed's coming.
Just watch the stop sign here. Watch the stop sign. Doing good. Just breathe. Breathe and do good. Make sure you're good. You're good. Get up there. Yeah. Slow. You're good. Slow. Watch here. Watch here. Go. I'm heading to that. I'm quite a ways off, though. You're good, man. Alright, slow down. Alright, good. Slow down. Get a car. Watch where you're going. Careful here. You're good? Just keep going. If you get away, that's fine. Careful. You're good. You're good. Stop. You're good. You shut it down for us. That worked. No, just leave the lights alone. They're excited to run. I want you heading to the right there, so just be careful here. Careful here. Get in between.
As the driver continues to evade, police officers coordinate to set up a stop stick trap at the end of the road.
Slow down. Got him.
The stop stick trap is a success, hitting both the front and rear tires of the vehicle, deflating them. The driver continues the pursuit regardless. However, officers have a second stop stick trap set up further down the road in preparation.
Slow down a little bit. He's out two tires, so stay with it. See where he's headed. I'm trying. Maybe you just lost the tire running on the rim. Oh, yes. Be careful. Not loud. Right now. Gotta get placed in over. Oh, get up there. Get up there. Yeah, stop.
In an attempt to avoid the stop sticks, the driver swerves out of control, crashing on the side of the street, giving officers a chance to detain the driver.
Show me your f***ing hands! Show me your f***ing hands right now! Show me your hands! Hands up! Get your hands out of the vehicle!
One occupant! I'm going to the driver's side.
I'm going with him, driver's side.
I'm going driver's side.
Do not move! Do not move!
Step out of the car! Step out of the car!
Get out of the car right now!
No! Get out of the car!
Get on the car! Right now! Get on the car!
Stay on the ground. Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right.
Can y'all get off of me?
Do not
Hang
move.
tight. Hang tight. We have a few things we need to do.
Ow!
One is
Y'all
checking.
hurting me.
We're not doing
I'm in
anything.
handcuffs.
Yep.
Get off of me. Ow! Get the off of me.
Yeah, make sure you're in.
Y'all hurting me.
Pat her up.
Where is you going? Get off of my legs. Get off of my legs.
Roll it. There we go.
Oh my, can you pull my shirt up?
Oh, there we go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and roll to your side. Roll this way.
No, just help, just
Okay,
get me up.
bring your knees up.
Bring your knees up to your chest.
Bring your knees up to your chest.
Can y'all just pull me
Bring
up?
your knees to your chest, man.
This stuff hurt.
Bring your knees to your chest, man. We're going to
Sit
get
up on
you
your
up.
butt. There you go. Now stand up.
Let
I'm
me
just
go.
checking your handcuffs so they don't tighten down on you.
They too tight.
No, they're not, because you can spin your hand so you're fine.
Can y'all get my phone, my ID, and my money? And my bags. I need everything out that car.
What's up there, guy?
According to police reports, when the owner of the vehicle was informed of who stole their car, it was found that the driver actually knew the thief as an acquaintance. The driver was charged as an operator fleeing an officer and causing damage, with second-degree recklessly endangering safety, of driving a vehicle without the owner's consent, and with having possession of THC. Reckless endangerment and possession of THC were both dismissed on the prosecutor's motion. For fleeing an officer and driving without the owner's consent, she was found guilty due to a guilty plea. For this, she was ordered to pay a restitution of $2,650. She also had her Department of Transportation license revoked for 1 year, and she received 2 years of probation, but that was withheld and would go into effect if the defendant were to commit another crime.
Yeah, why don't we just send him just to check on her? She's pretty much.
That's the chase. And in my opinion, really a pretty good job by both the rookie officer and the FTO, his field training officer. The field training officer staying on top of the rookie, making sure that no mistakes are made. This was a chase of a stolen car, which is really a property crime. A lot of agencies will no longer allow for a chase of a stolen car unless there's also a violent crime associated with it, like a gun crime or carjacking. But there are differing opinions in law enforcement about this. A stolen car, even though it's just a property crime, it tends to be a sign that the offender is going to go on to commit a more violent crime because it's an anonymous car. So conflicting opinions about whether you should chase or should not chase a stolen vehicle. On one hand, it's a property crime. But on the other hand, it's a property crime that tends to lead to violent crimes or gun violence.
What's up,